I must be on the ugly side of town because everybody here is like gross. He put his hands where? Like a six-handed monkey. Ew! Ew!
First class. Rotisserie stacked high makes a sandwich go bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Who is that cowboy guy?
Kevin, my boyfriend. I really wish you would have called first. So what I'm doing is I'm making a trail. When he comes, I got the jump rope tied around my foot. I'm pulling my foot. That's gonna move the hanger. Bam, call him.
Rachel Zoo, listen, the entire future of this company depends on that dog and what he's wearing. I have to go to a birthday party. I can't fix things. I need you and Brad to shut it down.
Don't cover your tits. No, don't.
Like
yeah,
this?
that's right.
Then I find out later that they have the audacity to cut me out of the shot. You know what though? It was obvious that everybody at that photo shoot was jealous of me because I was out shining everyone.
Hey,
Oh, just pull fucking teeth out of here. What do you want?
just sing us a song. We'll leave you alone.
I'm gonna have my boyfriend Blake.
No,
Get
don't touch the camera.